Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is a 13 inches MacBook Pro 2017. Its sharp and vibrant visuals is due to the high resolution Retina display. This MacBook Pro comes with two Thunderbolt ports, which offer high-speed data transfer and supports for external displays and accessories. It is equipped with powerful processors, allowing for smooth multitasking and efficient performance. But also has this long battery life that allows me to work and enjoy multimedia content for extended periods of time without needing to recharge. And because it's a 13-inch size, it makes it really compact and lightweight. It is easy to carry around, put it on my purse, on my backpack. And of course, Apple's ecosystem is always really nice to have. And that's my point of view.